everyone, it's Heather with Life with Heather G, and I am excited because I just got the mail and I did order the Glossy box, but it's their like holiday special edition. And I had a coupon to get something. No, I didn't have a coupon. I did those little like surveys or the reviews on their website, and I earned like almost $10, or it was like $10.80. Anyways, and this box was like only $30 to buy it. So I ended up paying like less than $20 to get this box, and it has like $225 worth of stuff. So I was super excited, and it came so fast. Like I just ordered it and I'm like, it's here already. Like seriously, like 5 days ago maybe. So anyways, let's get in. I'm going to show you what I got. Oh, I'll show you. So it has holiday limited edition. And I did watch somebody else open this, and I was like, that's why I got on their website and ordered it, because it had such a large amount of stuff for like $20. So worth it. So of course the pamphlet does tell you everything you get. And look, there's even something on the back. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. I'm excited. Anyway. Look at that. Okay, so the first item I see, this is cute. I do have the full size of this already, and I do like it and use it, but it is that BioSilk. So I do like that, and that is like a travel size. It's cute. Like you can tell in the size of my hand. I have the humongous one. So I do like that, and I did know that was in here. Next thing is a dry shampoo, Authentic Beauty Concepts by, it just says texturizing shampoo. So Authentic Beauty Concept, I haven't heard of that. But again, like it's a good travel size dry shampoo, which who can't use that? It says vegan formulated too. So performance driven, vegan formula free from microplastics, mineral oil, parabens, and silicones. So, okay, I like that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look. How pretty. That's a good holiday. Definitely some sparkles for your nails. This is, I don't even know, I can't read it on there very well. Honestly, when I go over pricing, I'll tell you what the name of that is, because I cannot read it. Okay, the next thing is, okay, this is another reason I got the box when I seen somebody open it, is because that hair scrub that I like so much from another box, this is the same brand, that Christopher Robin, but it's a cleansing volumizing paste. So I am excited if it's kind of like the shampoo scrub that we got. I'm not really sure. I'll read the description when we get to the financial part. So anyway, all right. So next thing is intraceuticals. And this is a daily serum called Revive and Rejuvenate. So it's just a cute serum with a little pump. So I will again tell you the prices here shortly. And then we have CAB. I want to say that is a lip liner. It looks like a lip liner, and it has this like pink kind of color. So we'll see. All right. Okay. So this MZ Skin is a dual like facial Hydro Lift facial treatment mask, and it looks like it has like the top half over here and then like the bottom half. So it's like a 2-piece that you put on your face. And I heard this is like $30 for one mask. Something crazy like that. So it says promotes cell renewal repair, reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, which I love, and helps even skin tone, restores a radiant and refreshed complexion. So it has mask 1 and mask 2. Okay. Then last thing is an all-in-one moisturizer. So not only do we have a serum, a scalp scrub, scalp scrub, which I can't even say it, or a scalp treatment, and then we have a full moisturizer. So this is Mr. Reliable. I've never heard of that. I don't know. I've never heard of it, but we'll try it. Because right now, like I told you guys, I definitely need some moisturizers to try. Oh, that's beautiful packaging. Oh, I like it all in one. I wonder, your moisturizing needs are covered and all in one. This all-in-one moisturizer makes life easier by combining the best part of moisturizing toolkit to a light gel cream. A well-rounded formula for when you don't have time for anything else. So yeah, it just sounds like if you don't want like primer, creamer, or cream and a serum, you can kind of just, this is all in one. So Mr. Reliable. So we'll try that. Anyways, let me go over the pricing sheet with you guys real quick to tell you the prices on these things. Because again, I only paid like $20 for this. So we have the Authentic Beauty Concept Deluxe Mini Dry Shampoo, and that retails for $10 for the sample size. Full size is $25. And then we have this Rejuvenating Day Serum. This is $74.50. The full size is $150. Oh, I'm excited to try that one. Okay, so the lip liner, Strawberry Daiquiri Lip Liner is $12 by KAB Cosmetics, and it is $12. The Bio Silk is $15.95 for this small size. The full size, which is 12 ounces, is $49.70. Wow, that's a lot. I can't remember how much I paid for mine. I think like $26, but I don't have probably the biggest size either. Okay. Then we have the Cleansing Volumizing Paste again. So this is like a cleansing scalp thing and hair thing. Kind of like that scrub that we got. And I love this brand. This is $10.13 and the full size is $19. So I will use that. And okay, so I think that this I think this is an extra because it's not even on here. Oh, it's on the back. That's right. Okay, so this one's Mr. Reliable. It says it's $35, and this is full size. And then this mask. Yeah, this mask, the MZ Skin Mask, is $30. And I've heard of this brand, but $30 for a mask, that's like, yeah, that's an expensive mask. I don't know. That's going to have to be like on an extra pampering night, because I'm going to feel guilty for using that. Anyways, but I will use it because I only paid $20 for this box. And then they have the Lauren, it's Lauren B Beauty. So I haven't heard of that, but that must be what this says. And it is $14 for the nail polish. So the retail of this box, let's see, that's 14. Yeah, it's $225 worth of stuff here. And I paid $20. So I encourage you guys, when you get on their website, review the products and review the box, because they give you money off of purchases. And then I purchased this box and I got like $10.80 off. And I've only gotten 2 boxes. So I had $10.80 just from reviewing the products that I got on there. So I would encourage you to do that. But this by far was a really good deal, even for the $75 serum that I will definitely use. And of course I needed some more moisturizer, so I'm going to use that. I mean, who doesn't need the dry shampoo? And I was in love with this brand last time. So really the only thing that I have this already, which is fine, I'll use it. This is just kind of like an extra cute thing. And then a lip liner, which I don't use a lot of lip liners, but I'll try it. And then of course, again, I like pampering stuff. So this is an amazing box for 20 bucks. So if it is still available, I would run out and buy it. I'm telling you. But anyways, I'm hoping that you enjoyed what I got in my box. And if you got this, let me know if you liked it and what your favorite thing was. And we will just see you in the next unboxing. Bye. If you like unboxings like this, please like and subscribe so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And thank you for watching.